Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make such a keychain. So, to make such a keychain, first we will need two same length wires, and now I will place them one above the other. So one I will place vertically and the other horizontally. So now the blue one I will take it over the green one over here and then bring them both to the same size. Now I will take the green one and then this goes over the blue one, and this two also same length. So now I will take the blue one that is above to the bottom and this green one through this hole. Now I will pull all the four cords together. And as you can see here, a square has formed. So now I have to continue making this square. So first I will take the blue one which is over here above, then the green one, then the blue one down, and the green one above this blue one and through this blue. So again I have formed a square. So I will pull each one of it so it gets tight. And now, so it goes in an alternative manner. So first I have done it with the right side. So now the cord has come to the left side. So I will do it again with the left side. So the blue one above, the green one over it, then the other blue one down, then the green one above this blue one and through this blue. So this way I will again tighten it up. So this way we have to continue making it till we reach a certain. So now I have completed till here. So I will cut it from here. And now I will use hot glue gun. You can stick it with any other glue. So here I am done. Now I will give it a shape according to whatever letter you want. So I am giving it a shape of S, and we have to keep this in this position for some time so that it acquires this shape. So I will hold it for some time and then you can also see that it has also acquired the shape. So here you can see I have made a S1. So this was the initial one. So if you hold it for some more time, and according to whatever style you want, you can also do this. So this way you can also make your keychain with it. So thanks for watching.